Hello students, in this video we will solve some questions of exercise 7.3 which is related to the area of triangle. We solve question number 3. Let we start now. Find the area of triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle whose vertex are 0, -1 and 2, 1 and 0, 3. Let we assume that we have a triangle ABC and the coordinate of the vertex is given in question here 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. According question, find the area of triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of sides. Okay, let we take D is midpoint of AB, E midpoint of BC and F midpoint of AC. When we join the midpoints, you can see here we formed a triangle here. According question, find the area of triangle DEF, then after ABC and find ratio here. So first of all, let the vertex of the given triangle ABC be A 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. And here points D, E and F are midpoints of sides AB, BC and AC respectively. Okay, now you can see here D is midpoint of AB. So first of all we will find the coordinate of D, then after E and F. Okay, coordinate by mid formula, coordinate of D, coordinate of D will be x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2 here. Okay, so we will add here x1 plus x2 means 0 plus 2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 means y minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. Now you can see 0 plus 2 will be 2, divide by 2 we get here 1 here, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0 and divide by 2 give us 0. So the coordinate of D point is 1 and 0. Coordinate of E, similarly we got the coordinate of E 2 plus 0 upon 2, 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2. You can see here 2 plus 0 will be 2, divided by 2 we got here 1, 1 plus 3 4, divided by 2 we got here 2 here. So the coordinate of E is will be 1 and 2. Now coordinate of F will be, you can see here coordinate of F will be 0 plus 0 divided by 2, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, we can write here 0 plus 0 upon 2 minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. Okay, so the coordinate of F will be 0 and 1. Now we will find the triangle area ABC by the triangle formula. Okay, so in triangle ABC, first we will decide that what will be value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So in triangle ABC we take x1 value 0, x2 value 2 and x3 value will be 0 and y1 minus 1, y2 will 1 and y3 will be 3. Okay, we can write here x1 value 0, x2 will be 2 and x3 will be 0. y1 we take -1, y2 1 where, y3 will be 3. Now we are using the area of triangle formula. Okay, area of triangle ABC, it will be 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 y3 plus x2 will be y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now we are plotting the value. 1/2 x1 value will be, you can see here, 0, and when 0 multiplied by the number it give a 0, so we can write the value 0 into y2 value here 1 and y3 value here 3, that means 1 minus 3 plus x2 value here 2 into y3 minus y1 3 minus y1 value here -1, that means it will be +1. Okay, now after that plus x3 value here 0 into y1 minus y2, y1 here -1 y2 value here 1 here, so we can put here 1. Now you can see here 1/2, when 0 multiply it give us 0, when you can see 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 multiply 2 give us 8, plus 0 multiply by the number give us 0. You can see here 1/2 into 8, it will be 4 square unit, because area will be shown in the square. Okay, now we will find the area of triangle DEF. We have a coordinate of D, E and F, so we are using the area of triangle here. In triangle DEF, first we decided that what will be the value of x1 y1. Okay, so let we take here x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 and y3. You can see here we take x1 y1 will be D coordinate, so we put here coordinate of D will be 1 and 0 here, x2 value will be 1, y2 value will be 2 here, x3 will be 0 and y3 will be 1 here. Is that clear? Now we apply here formula of triangle area. Area of triangle DEF 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 will be y1 minus y2. Now we are plotting the values here. 1/2 x1 value will be 1, y2 value here you can see 2 minus y3 value here 1 plus x2 value here 1, y3 value here 1 minus y1 value here 0 plus x3 value here 0, y1 value here 0 minus y2 value 2. Now you can see here 1 upon 2, 2 minus 1 will be 1, 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 minus 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1. When the 0 multiplied by the number give a 0. Now you can see here 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1, 2, that means 1 unit, 1 square unit. Now according question, we will find the ratio of this area of the given triangle. Okay, ratio of areas of both triangles. Okay, now you can see area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC is 4 square unit, 4 square unit, and area of DEF is 1 square unit. Now you can see here ratio of the both triangle is 4:1, and you can write it 1:4 also. Okay, I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now we solve question number 4. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertex taken in order are -4 -2, -3 -5, 3 -2, and 2 3. Let we take a quadrilateral ABCD, and the coordinate of the vertex are given here: A -4 -2, -3 -5, 3 -2, and 2 3. So we will find the area of this quadrilateral. Now you can see here when we join BD, this diagonal divide the quadrilateral into part, first and second. First part ABD and the second part is BCD. When we find the area of the first part, after then second part, and we add them, then we got the area of this whole quadrilateral. Okay, you can see here in triangle ABD, first of all we will decided that what will be the value of x1, x2, x3, and y1, y2, y3. In triangle ABD, we will take x1 value -4, x2 will be -3, and x3 will be 2 here. Y1 value will be -4, y2 -5, y3 will be 3. Is that clear? Now we are using the area of triangle ABD will be 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 here. Now we are plotting the values of x1, y1. Okay, 1 upon 2 x1 value here -4, y2 value here -5, y3 value here you can see 3, x2 value here -3, y3 minus y1, y3 value you can see 3, minus y1 value here you can see -2, that means it will be plus sign, plus x3 value will be 2, y1 value here -2, minus y2 value here -5, that means minus sign change to the plus sign. Now 1 upon 2 minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 8. Minus 8 multiply minus 4 will be 32. 3 plus 2 will be 5, and 5 multiply minus 3 will be minus 15, plus you can see here minus 2 plus 5 give us plus 3, plus 3 multiply 2 give us 6. Now 1 upon 2, when 32 minus 15 we got here 17. 17 plus 6, you can see here 1 upon 2, 17 plus 6 will be 23. So area of ABD will be 23 upon 2 square unit. Now we will find the area of BCD. First of all, we will decided that what will be value of x1 y1. Okay, so in triangle BCD, you can see here we take coordinate of B will be x1 y1, x2 y2, and D will be x3 y3. So we can write here x1 will be minus 3, x2 3, and x3 will be 2 here. Y1 we take here minus 5, y2 we take here minus 2, and y3 will be here 3. Okay, now we are using the area formula. Area of triangle BCD, we write here the formula here, x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, x3 will be y1 minus y2 here. Now we are putting the values of x1 y1 here. You can see value of x1 minus 3, y2 value here minus 2, minus y3 value 3, plus x2 value here 3, y3 value 3, minus y1 value here minus 5. So minus sign change to the plus sign, plus x3 value here 2, y1 value minus 5, minus y2 value here you can see minus 2, that means minus sign change to the plus sign. Okay, now we are solving the calculation here. 1 upon 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5, minus 5 will be multiply minus 3 give us plus 15. Okay, now 3 plus 5 8, 8 multiply 3 24, plus 24. Now you can see minus 5 plus 2 will be minus 3, minus 3 multiply plus 2 will be minus 6 here. Now you can see 1 upon 2, look at it here, 24 minus 6 will be 15 plus 18. Okay, now 1 upon 2 will be 33. So 33 upon 2 square unit. Now because area of quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two parts. area of triangle A B D plus area of triangle BCD. Area of the triangle ABD is equal to the 23 upon 2 square unit plus area of the triangle BCD is equal to the 33 square unit. When we take LCM here, we got the LCM 23 plus 33 square unit. Now you can see here 23 and 33 will be 56 upon 2 square unit. That means the area of the quadrilateral ABCD will be 56 upon 2. Is that clear? Now when we cut here, we got 28 square unit. So the area, area of quadrilateral ABCD will be 28 square unit. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा.